dMT Ecotech, headquartered near Munich, Germany, is a global leader of innovative surface wear-resisting solutions for industrial machinery. Our SPC products focus on wheel-to-rail conveying equipment at container terminals and port facilities. Most common applications reduce metal wear on wheels and rails of container cranes. SPC coatings substantially reduce critical surface wear of metal parts, especially wheels, guide rollers, and rails of such equipment. Due to rising operational demands on these cranes, surface wear at the wheel-rail interface also increases. The increased flaking off from metal surfaces results in profile distortions, further leading to expensive wheels replacement and rail reprofiling. Consequently, high costs and maintenance effort with expensive downtimes are the result. Notice the metal wear on the rail due to the wheel flange contact. Metal wear on crane wheels, especially wheel flanges, is usually even higher due to softer metal surfaces. At a microscopic level, metal surfaces are rough with peaks and valleys. Metal wear is caused by interaction of adjoining parts on the wheel-rail interface, resulting in extreme pressure. SPC anti-wear coatings fill the low points of wheels on rails and reduce metal wear extremely by distributing the surface pressure. The coating optimizes the coefficient of friction for any particular application and will generally result in wear reduction of up to 80%, increasing the service life of parts by a factor of 3 to 5 times. Inserted into spring-loaded stainless steel applicators, SPC is a self-applying, dry solid coating continually applied to wheel tread or rail surfaces during the operation of the crane. The application of our enhanced traction coating substantially reduces wheel slippage and lateral wheel migration, and therefore protects wheel treads, flanges, and rail heads. The maintenance required for our SPC system is very simple. To insert SPC replacement blocks, remove the wire lock pin on the applicator, pull out the sliding tray with constant force spring. Insert replacement blocks and reassemble the applicator. Contrary to traction blocks, low coefficient of friction blocks create a sliding action on the surfaces. This results in a substantial reduction of friction on wheel flanges or guide rollers with much reduced metal wear. SPC anti-wear coatings with low coefficient of friction can be applied to wheel flanges and guide rollers on cranes. Traction coatings with increased coefficient of friction can be applied to wheel treads or rail heads. Test our SPC anti-wear products supported by performance guarantees on your container cranes. Reduce unnecessary downtimes and increase your crane availability. Reduce metal wear on your crane wheels and rails up to 80% and increase the operating life by 3 to 5 times. SPC products are maintenance-free, environmentally friendly, quickly installed, and resistant to weather and temperature. Contact us for more information.